Hans Laser is the world's foremost laser solutions and equipment provider. We have solutions that range from 3D precision inspection to laser 3D printing, to laser inspection, to laser welding, to new energy vehicle battery welding solutions, to laser marking, including laser marking in the consumer electronics industry, including laser welding, used throughout the automotive industry, laser marking for branding and trademarking, PCB drilling and testing. Our broad technologies cover and service many different industries today. In 1996, Hans Laser was founded in Shenzhen, China. Since our founding, we have quickly grown to be a leading precision laser supplier to many high-tech companies, not just in China, but all over the world. Our clients include leading companies from the Fortune 500, as well as some of the largest and most technically advanced Chinese companies today. From 1996 until today, large growth due to key partnerships has made Hans one of the largest publicly traded laser companies in the world. In China, Hans Laser was selected to be one of the national innovation pilot companies. In our technology centers, we have set up teams including hundreds of engineers that provide technical support. Using our expertise across many industries, Hans works with their partners to ensure that when our partners succeed, then Hans can succeed as well. This is shown by the many awards and recognition that is given to Hans by these partners. Some areas that we have received recognition include research, manufacturing, and support, helping our partners to develop integrated solutions to achieve their goals. Hans Laser can customize a solution from a range of different resources in order to help meet the needs of the customer, including supporting those projects around the clock. In our industrial complex, we have hundreds of technicians helping to support the thousands of engineers we have working to provide those solutions, as well as researching and developing new technologies. Our success at Hans depends on the trust earned from our customers, from our employees, and from those around that are impacted by Hans throughout society. Hans is committed to providing the best service possible, and so we have set up several regional centers, as well as over 100 offices supporting customers all over China, including 9 overseas branches, and 8 qualified agents working with us in over 20 countries. Hans Laser has over 10,000 employees. It is a very diverse group of people that come together with Hans in building great support for our partners. Technology is fast moving, and it is driving change throughout the world at a rapid pace. As a leader in this area, we look forward to leading and creating a better future.